Understanding First Name Basis, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, first name basis. It's a common idiom in English, and understanding it can help you navigate social and professional settings more effectively. So, let's dive in. First name basis is an idiom that refers to the level of familiarity and informality between people in a social or professional setting. When you are on a first name basis with someone, it means you call each other by your first names, rather than using more formal titles like Mr., Mrs., or Drive. This usually indicates a certain level of comfort and friendliness. The origin of this phrase lies in the traditional practices of addressing people. Historically, using someone's first name was reserved for close friends and family. In professional or formal settings, people were referred to by their last names and titles. Being on a first name basis, therefore, signifies a break from formality and a step towards a more personal relationship. 1. At work. I just started working at the new firm, and everyone is on a first name basis here. It's quite different from my old job. 2. Social contexts. John and I have been neighbors for years, but we're not on a first name basis yet. 3. In media. Characters in movies or TV shows might start by addressing each other formally, and as their relationship develops, they shift to a first name basis. In different cultures, the significance of being on a first name basis can vary. In some cultures, using first names is common and happens quickly, while in others, it might take time and is a sign of deep trust and friendship. It's important to be aware of these cultural nuances to avoid misunderstandings. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, first name basis. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this common English idiom and how it's used in various contexts. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about the relationships and social norms they reflect. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.